Again, flip it over. Last one. And that's what they look like from the front. Now another little thing I like to do is where the two carbon wires cross there in the center, I like to put some CA on those too, and I don't use foam safe for that. I use regular CA. You'll hear them vibrating against each other if you don't. Go ahead and attach the strut covers. We want the 90-degree corner here, this the 90-degree corner to be in the front. And the way we attach these is we attach them to the back side of the landing gear strut and to the wing. And you may need to notch out a little bit for the plywood landing gear support so that the foam goes all the way up to the wing. And again, somewhat like we do with the push rods or the control horns, I'll lay it down on there where it needs to go, and then I press a little bit, and it puts a mark on the foam where I need to cut it out. And with this, it's just a little notch cut in there. No biggie. Apply the foam safe to the strut cover. Spray a little accelerator on the gear. Like so. Little foam safe on the wing and the strut cover area. And same with the other side. And then go ahead and attach the wheel pant. And when you attach that, just be sure that the wire skid is at least probably 3/16 of an inch below the wheel pant. Again, these landing gear are for smooth surface only. They're really not designed for landing in the grass, although you can plop it in there with a hairier landing. It's really not recommended. This is an indoor flyer, by all means. I like to get down and get a good look for the angle. You might just want to tack it with a little bit of glue so that you can bend and adjust it and get it looking real good before you permanently glue it. And there we have the wheel pants. The airplane's ready to fly. Well, I hope you enjoyed the Lee Uehlinger Models build log of the pocket knife, and we'll look forward to the next airplane. I thank you very much. Bye now.